How to solve couldn't load high-resolution images on Messenger. So if you want to solve couldn't load high-resolution images on Messenger, then what you need to do is first you need to go with the control center and you need to turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off after 10 seconds, and your problem might be fixed. Or the next step you can take is to simply change your network. Change the Wi-Fi connection to mobile data or to Wi-Fi. If you're using your Wi-Fi, you can go with mobile data, and if you're using your mobile data, you can switch to Wi-Fi. You can change your Wi-Fi connections. Or the third step is to go to your settings, tap and open up your settings, scroll down, and then you'll find the apps section. Tap on apps and tap on manage apps. And here you need to search for Messenger. You can either scroll down or you can search for Messenger. Once you find your Messenger, tap on it. And then you need to go with Clear Data, which will be in the bottom right, and then go with Clear Cache and tap on OK. Once you've cleared your cache, you need to go with connection method. If you find an option of connection method, you can tap on it, and then you can enable Wi-Fi only or mobile data only. And after that, just go and update your Messenger application and relaunch, and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.